for the first time for more than 20 years, Euronext is now vertically integrated and offering a full value chain to clients from trading to settlement and custody through clearing. And that's a game changer because we are creating something which is becoming the third largest clearing house in Europe across asset classes, and with a lot of benefits to clients. Clients will have significant efficiencies in terms of cross margining, in terms of netting collateral, in terms of combining default funds, and we are going to reduce significantly the settlement cost for clients. So clients like this move, and for us, it's a new business. It's a way to accelerate the delivery of the synergies we had promised to deliver in relation to the acquisition of the Borsa Italiana Group. We said in 21 that we would deliver 60 million of synergies by the end of 24, and we are already delivering 70 million by the end of 23. So we are probably going to double the amount of synergies that we are going to deliver by the end of 24, close to 150 million. So this project is a heavy lifting project. It was very complicated to deliver. It was delivered on time, on budget, with the relevant functionalities, and it's a game changer for us.
It's interesting as you talk about removing hurdles for investors when we've still got problems with the Capital Markets Union. There's been not enough progress here. Christine Lagarde recently talking about this and comparing the situation facing Europe to the US railroads back in the 19th century, saying, look, effectively you've got a fragmented market across the United States back then. Economic transformation required unity across the board. As you've gone through this company project, how necessary is it to see it on a wide-scale project across Europe where you have CMU finally enacted? Yeah, like anything in Europe, it's always an ambivalent analysis. When you look at what has been achieved, it's amazing. When you look at what remains to be done, it's a lot. Clearly, in the case of Capital Markets Union, what I can tell you is that Euronext has built Capital Market Union for real, because we today have a single liquidity pool, a single order book, a single technology platform that processes approximately 25% of the shares traded in Europe, in a market which is united, a market with an aggregate market capitalization of companies listed on Euronext, which is approximately 6.3 trillion, which is approximately twice the size of the equity market in London, with daily volumes of 8 to 10 billion euro, which is approximately 2.5 times what is traded in London. So it's there with the project we have announced yesterday night of a fully integrated European clearinghouse. We are accelerating further the creation of a capital market union. Now, what needs to be done is really what is around this corporate project in terms of regulations. We are about to have a European S1 through the Listing Act. We will have one single prospectus in two languages, the local language and English. There will be soon a fundamental change towards insolvency laws, where the new commission is going to embark into a project to converge insolvency laws, and that will change the fixed income environment. So the way is there, and the most visible part, which is the single supervision, because Mrs. Lagarde talked a lot about this concept of a European SEC, is on the map, with probably a solution that will be single supervision for large multi-local players and local supervision for the small, similar to the banking world.